Hi there! I know it's kinda late, but I just got my hands on this sort of new OPPO F11 Pro. And I would just like to show what's in the box if there are people who are still thinking of getting one for themselves. As you can see here, what I have is the 128 gig model. Sorry about the thing here. Alright, nothing on the bottom, just the more branding on the right, nothing on the top, and nothing much on the left. Okay, this has a 48 megapixel camera on the back, OPPO's proprietary fast charging technology, and the 6.5 inch screen, and also has the OPPO Hyper Boost, which should improve overall performance of the phone. So now, opening the box, you'll see another box, which should contain the papers. Yep. And also the SIM ejector tool. And also a free case, which is nice. Let's see if we can, there we go, much better. Now for this little box, yep, it's the papers, quick start guide and whatnot. I don't think you can see it here, but it has a sort of pattern or design. Let's see if we can... I don't think we can... Anyway, it can probably offer some protection. Not really going to protect the phone from drops, but it's a nice thing to have. Now, for the phone itself. So these are the same details that are printed at the back of the box. I must say, this thing looks really nice. I mean, I'm not really a fan of the colors, but yeah, it looks nice. It has a sort of gradient blue and red going on at the back. And on the front, it's almost all screen. We also have a 4 amp fast charger. This supports OPPO's fast charging, of course. Charging cable that's micro USB. Wired headphones, because this has a headphone jack. Now back to the phone. This has Color OS 6 out of the box. There we go. Oh, that is a nice display. Now at the bottom, there's your headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port, and we have the loudspeaker. Now on the right side, we have the power button as well as the SIM card slot. On the top, we have the ambient light sensor and the pop-up selfie camera as well as noise cancelling microphone. On the left side, we just have the volume controls and nothing else. I mean, most of the time I prefer darker colors, but this looks, really nice. Actually, look at that. I like the detail in the camera too. I mean, it's just hidden most of the time, but they still made it look nice. And here's how it looks from the back. I like how it's lined up with the cameras in the back as well. Now, of course, out of the box, this comes with Color OS 6 on top of Android 9. Wait, I want to try the case. It's a little stiff, but it's a good thing. Let's see here. This looks okay. I mean, it adds a bit of protection. It's already included in the box. It'll be covering up the color on the back, but it's an interesting design too. Now the case leaves a generous space on the top, so there's no worries about the camera. And at the bottom, some nice ample cutouts for the ports as well. Well, that's it for the OPPO F11 Pro. It comes with some nice extras, including a fast charger and the case, and also, still has a headphone jack, but unfortunately, still only has a micro USB port. If you're looking into getting one of these, then I hope this video helped you out.